What is the word order in Bulgarian? Have you ever wondered how sentences are structured in the Bulgarian language? Understanding the word order can really help you grasp the language better. In Bulgarian, the most common sentence structure is subject-verb-object, often referred to as SVO. This means that in a typical sentence, you start with the subject, followed by the verb, and then the object. For instance, the phrase translates to I love chocolate. Here, aze means I, means love, and means chocolate. What makes Bulgarian interesting is its flexibility in word order. Unlike many languages in the region that relying heavily on case endings to show the roles of words, Bulgarian has very few noun cases. Instead, it uses verb endings that change based on who is doing the action. This allows speakers to rearrange words for stylistic reasons or to emphasize certain parts of a sentence without altering the meaning. For example, the sentence, Ljubomir pauzaderava, which means Ljubomir greeted the girls, can also be rearranged as pauzaderava or pauzaderava. In each version, the verb endings and context clarify who is performing the action. This flexibility is particularly useful in conversation and literature, where speakers might want to highlight a specific word or idea. In practical terms, while SVO is the default structure, Bulgarian allows for various orders such as object-verb-subject and verb-subject-object. Rearranging words does not confuse native speakers because the verb form always matches the subject, and context helps clarify meaning. This feature is shared with some other Balkan languages, but Bulgarian stands out for its freedom in this aspect. For those familiar with other Southeast European languages, Bulgarian's flexible word order may feel quite natural. However, it is essential to remember that most sentences still follow the SVO pattern, especially in formal writing or when clarity is necessary. To sum it up, the word order in Bulgarian is primarily subject-verb-object, but the language allows for a great deal of flexibility due to its limited noun cases and strong subject-verb agreement. This makes Bulgarian both approachable and expressive for speakers in Southeast Europe.